Hello traders, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Here is my next downside target in euro versus the US dollar. So I will talk about my position, my current position in euro versus the US dollar and the potential downside target. There is disclaimer here, please read it. You can email support if you have questions. You can follow us on Instagram if you want, Learn to Trade. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. It's important. You can comment right below this video. You can share it. Yeah, you can like it. And also, if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us to get all my trades, you can access the link posted right below this video. So let's take a look. Euro versus the US dollar. As you already know, guys, one moment. As you already know, I'm short on the euro versus the US dollar, right? So one moment. So something like this, yeah. So as you already know, I'm short on the euro versus the US dollar in this real account. My position runs in profit. Let's take a look. I believe around, actually more than 100 pips. Yeah, 79, yeah, something like this. So very important. Yeah, personally I've decided to go short, guys. Yeah, after the price of euro versus the US dollar failed to close this gap here, because in my opinion it was a great opportunity to go short. It was an important signal that the buyers are exhausted. It has signaled that the euro versus the US dollar will move to the downside. So right now my position is in profit, more than 100 pips right now, and I'm still holding this trade. Actually, as you already know, personally I've taken profits on this trade, maybe something like 70% of 70% of my trade was closed in profit, yeah, around these levels. And right now you can see deeper drop, rebound, but in my opinion, and as you can see here, the bias remains bearish, and that's why personally I'm keeping this trade, this remaining in euro versus the US dollar. My position is safe because my stop loss is at break even. So let's take a look here on TradingView, euro versus the US dollar. So if you remember, guys, I've talked about something like this in the previous months last year, about a major reversal pattern here, a major head and shoulders pattern, breakdown and downside movement. And let's take a look. Let's measure this. One moment. So I believe that it was something like a 630 pips or something like this. Yeah. So something like this, maybe around 640 pips. Pattern, reversal pattern, and if we'll measure this downside movement after its breakdown. Yeah. So something like this. So technically, maybe this downside movement, yeah, this was unexpected, the downside movement after developing this reversal pattern, 640 pips or something like this. But right now, after the price dropped, ignored this former low, yeah, it has signaled and indicated that it could resume its sell-off, yeah, and so the bias remains bearish, and right now it has only retested this immediate former lows. And in my opinion, you can see here that I have something like this here, something like a falling wedge, like a channel, okay. And also here, guys, we'll have 1.1, yeah, psychological level, and this 1.1 could represent a major downside target, and also these former highs here, yeah, something like former resistance area. Right now it has turned into support, okay. So this could be my target here, 1.1, and this downside line. Okay, thank you, guys.